Hey everybody, thanks for watching. My name's Kevin Brown. I'm with All-Star Medical, and today we're going to talk about the Proline Medical 200 CB. This is a combo unit. It's a rollator and a wheelchair together. The way I've got it set up right now is in rollator style. So you have the ability to use this like a rolling walker. It swivels really easy. I can set the wheel locks, turn around, and I can sit down. Okay, so that's the big feature of it right there. But if I ever get tired, all I have to do is flip this, okay, this way, take these leg rests that are already on there and they're clipped in, and I can adjust if I need to. I'm going to show you this real quick. If I need to, I can adjust the length of the leg rest. It's standard on most wheelchairs, and they have it standard on this one. I can click this in, and then I can come sit down and I can have somebody push me. So I can sit in this chair just like this and have somebody push me. So I've also got these handles that are built in. You can move them out of the way if you want to, but they're actually work really well when it comes to standing up from the chair. It's like having a little mini armrest to stand up from. So great little feature there. You've got the large, thick wheels that are easy to go out on rough terrain and stuff like that. So you can take this outside. It has a shock absorber on the back too. You probably noticed when I sat down, there's some flexibility in it. So it does give you a little bit of added support. That shock is, I don't know of any other combo units that has that, but it's a nice little feature. Has a 300-pound weight capacity. Your seat to floor height is 22 inches, and in between the arms we're 18.5 by 12 inches on the seat. Again, this is not something you're going to sit in for a long period of time, but if you got short of breath or you just needed to take a rest from being in the rolling walker with seat position, you could have somebody push you and do that. Your overall width is 25 inches, and then your length is 38. The one thing that I haven't shown yet is I have the ability to raise this armrest up and down. So if I want the handles a little higher, whether I'm using it from this stage, or if somebody's pushing me and wants the handles a little higher to push like they would be pushing a wheelchair, I have the ability to raise this up or down. You can also fold this up for travel purposes. So it's very compact. I like these leg rests in this attachment here. So there's a little black piece right here. You'll notice I can just sit here and click that in and it stays in there. I can do this on both sides. I like that. It keeps you from having to use this pouch up here and put the leg rest in there. Now you can put them in there if you choose to, but you can use this pouch now for something else. So again, this 2-in-1 combo unit is pretty unique. I've not seen one with the shock absorbers, and I have not seen one with the handles like this. I think that handles give you that added comfort to push up from when you're in the wheelchair position, and then the shocks are only going to help when you're out and about, give you a little bit more of a stable ride when you're being pushed or you're going over some rough terrain. Again, this is a Proline Medical series. You can get this from us at All-Star Medical. You can go online at allstarmedicalusa.com. If you have questions about this, you can call us. You can even order on the phone. Our phone number is 615-730-9438. We'll be glad to help you with anything. If you're liking these videos, we'd love it for you to subscribe here as well. I'll have all the information about this in the link to this in our video on the description side. So you can click down there and go directly to this if you wanted to make a purchase. As always, thanks and have a great day.